Experience the ultimate convenience with the Lutron Caseta wireless dimmer and Pico remote control. The wireless dimmer gives you the ability to set the right light for any activity, whether it's reading, watching TV, entertaining, or having a casual dinner. Control your lights in a three-way application by mounting the Pico remote to the wall with the included Pico wall box bracket, for multi-location dimming. No cutting holes or wiring required. The remote lets you turn lights on, off, as well as brighten or dim them. With the Lutron Smart Bridge and app, sold separately, you can control your Caseta wireless dimmers with your smartphone from anywhere. The dimmer works up to 600 watt of incandescent or halogen and 150 watt of dimmable LED or dimmable CFL. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Works with Alexa to support dimming through voice control, Smart Bridge required, Alexa device, and Smart Bridge sold separately. Number 2. Replaces an existing switch and installs in 3 steps in as little as 15 minutes. An ideal dimmer for all homes, as it does not require a neutral wire. Number 3. Can control up to 17 bulbs per circuit, based on 8.5 W LED bulbs, 60 W incandescent equivalent. Number 4. Tested and recommended for use with over 1,000 bulbs. For recommended LEDs, please see technical specification. Number 5. Works with up to 150 W dimmable LED, CFL or 600 W incandescent, halogen bulbs. Not rated for low voltage applications, i.e. track or landscape lighting. Number 6. Use included Pico remote to run lights on, off or raise, lower to adjust brightness from anywhere around your home. Number 7. For use in multi-location applications, replace the existing switch with included Pico remote and wall plate bracket, Pico WBX adapt, sold separately. Number 8. Works with your voice assistant or smartphone via the free Lutron app for iOS and Android, Smart Bridge required. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. I live in an old house, my switches only have one wire, the hot. No ground and no neutral in my wall switch boxes. Will this work for me? Answer. Yes, just make sure you purchase the switches, dimmers which do not have a neutral wire. Question number 2. What technology, RF, Wi-Fi, does Pico use to communicate with dimmer? Answer. The Pico remote uses a proprietary Lutron RF frequency called Clear Connect RF to communicate with the dimmers and switches. Question number 3. Do you have to purchase the bridge to use with Alexa? Answer. Yes, you need a bridge to be able to connect the system to the network and therefore use Alexa or Siri. You can control the light switch with the remote without the bridge if needed. Sincerely. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.